In recent years, AI-generated cat videos have flooded the internet, captivating millions of viewers worldwide. While some may see this as a simple entertainment trend, a deeper psychological analysis reveals that these AI-generated feline companions fulfill an emotional and social need for many people. But why do individuals create virtual cat videos instead of simply adopting or filming real cats? The answer lies in the intricate connection between human emotions, loneliness, and our innate desire to anthropomorphize animals. The emotional connection between humans and cats. Cats have long been considered more than just pets. They are companions that offer emotional support, comfort, and joy. Scientific studies have shown that interacting with animals, particularly cats, releases oxytocin, a hormone associated with bonding and reducing stress. This emotional connection is so strong that even watching cat videos can trigger positive psychological effects, such as increased happiness and relaxation. With the rise of AI technology, individuals who lack access to real-life pets can now create their own virtual feline companions. These AI-generated cats mimic real behaviors, such as purring, playing, and responding to human actions, allowing users to feel a sense of companionship. This is particularly beneficial for those who live in environments where pet ownership is not possible, such as strict housing conditions or allergies. Anthropomorphism. Giving cats human-like traits. Humans have an inherent tendency to anthropomorphize animals, assigning them human-like thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. This is evident in AI-generated cat videos, where virtual felines often display exaggerated expressions, talk in humorous voiceovers, or even engage in relatable human activities like cooking, dancing, or solving puzzles. By assigning human characteristics to AI-generated cats, creators enhance the relatability of their content. This, in turn, makes viewers feel more emotionally connected to these virtual companions, reinforcing a sense of familiarity and friendship. Anthropomorphism plays a crucial role in making AI cat videos engaging and enjoyable, as it bridges the gap between digital fiction and human emotion. AI-generated cats as a response to loneliness. In today's digital age, loneliness has become a significant issue. Studies indicate that social isolation can lead to various mental health challenges, including depression and anxiety. AI-generated cat videos serve as an indirect coping mechanism for those experiencing loneliness, providing them with virtual companionship. Unlike real pets, AI-generated cats require no maintenance, no feeding, and no physical care. This makes them an appealing option for individuals who crave companionship, but lack the ability to care for a real animal. Additionally, AI-generated cat videos allow people to create and control their ideal version of a pet, ensuring that it meets their emotional needs without any of the challenges associated with real pet ownership. The future of AI-generated cat videos. As AI technology advances, the creation of virtual pets will only become more sophisticated. Future AI cat videos may include interactive features where users can engage with their digital pets in real time, strengthening the emotional bond even further. Some experts predict that AI-driven virtual pets could eventually replace traditional pet ownership for certain individuals, especially those who struggle with the responsibilities of caring for a live animal. Ultimately, the rise of AI-generated cat videos is more than just a passing trend. It is a reflection of humanity's deep-rooted need for connection, companionship, and emotional support. Whether for entertainment, stress relief, or combating loneliness, these digital felines have carved a unique space in modern internet culture, proving that even in the realm of artificial intelligence, the love for cats remains timeless.